So when I want to modify a game, I start with this. I kind of took a little piece of scratch paper and I sort of sketched out what my idea was going to be in. Um, this is a pretty common little basic game where, instead of an airplane flying around a screen trying to dodge missiles, I'm going to have a little person down here at the bottom, and they're going to be able to run back and forth, and things are going to fall from the sky. And instead of dodging those things, I'm going to change the objective of the game, and I'm going to actually try and catch those things. And if the things hit the ground and I miss them, then I lose. So those are some of the basic game mechanics that I want to change. By the way, this game could be seen in arcades with like 5 different flavors when I was a kid, because this was like, things were pretty basic back then, I'll admit, but that was one of the basic game paradigms, was something's falling from the sky and you have to catch it. So we're going to take those, and maybe you already see like there's some commonality. Like we got things coming from the side of the screen, we got things coming from the top of the screen. You can move around here and you're dodging them. This way, your movement is more limited, because we don't want to fly all over the screen here. If you're a guy, we want it to look like Gravity, and it's a side view game. So we're just going to keep it very simple. So these are my game assets, and I decided on a little skateboarder, and he's going to catch these healthy food items that fall from the sky, and he's going to skate back and forth on this little street here. Okay. You'll notice that this is got a weird background. I used a cyan color instead of white for the background. The reason for that was that I want to make the background transparent. If I made the white background transparent, then his shirt and his hat would also be transparent, because they use white. So when I prepped this graphic, I chose cyan because it's an easy color to identify numerically. Anyhow, so those are my graphics.